Hello guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Zara Kashi. You're welcome to Sassy Girl Squad. So my channel is all about natural hair and beauty tips. We'll be doing lots of DIY hair, all those stuff, okay? So subscribe in case if you haven't already, okay? So today I'll be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair. For now, my hair is product free. I just wash my hair and allow it to dry. So it's about 95% dry, honestly. So I'll be showing you guys how I will moisturize and style it, okay? So stay tuned and watch this video to the end.
I gave you my heart.
So guys, I have moisturized these sections. So I want to show you guys how I moisturize them in this section, okay? I will start off with this leave-in conditioner.
It's been way too long.
As you can see, I'm tapping it into my hair so that my hair can absorb it.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need.
So guys, this is my hair growth oil that I made. So I will leave the link on how I made this oil in the description below so that you can go and watch it after watching this one. Don't go now. After watching this video, you can go and check it out. So I will use it to seal in the moisture for the leave-in conditioner.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So now I'll go ahead and install my hair in the protective style.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
So guys, I'm done with the protective stuff. Okay, I'm done. So I just want to tell you guys the reason why I dab my hands in butter before braiding the hair. It's just to reduce friction in between the braids, okay? Just to reduce friction, because once our hair dries out, especially if you have high porosity hair, once it dries out, there will be a lot of friction going on. So that's the reason why I normally dab my hands, in order to reduce the friction. But if you don't like butter, it's okay, you can use any oil of your choice to do that, okay? Yeah, let me show you guys my hair. As you can see, I added some tiny rubber bands to give it a little cute style. So yeah, this is it. So guys, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, okay? Like, comment and share it out to your friends and family, or whoever that you think that might benefit from it, okay? So if you know any other thing that I would like to see on this channel, if you know anything that I would like me to share with you guys, okay, just leave it in the comment section. Being skin DIY or anything concerning hair or skin, just leave it in the comment section below. I will get back to you, okay? So until next time, don't forget to be productive, stay sassy, and be peaceful. I love you all. Bye.